The Japanese company Nissan is now owned by the Renault Group, a French company. But half a decade ago, Nissan was still known as Datsun, and more than a few models performed very well on racetracks of the 1970s. Both the 240Z and the 510 have achieved near legendary status in the racing world, which explains the large number of models still available of both cars in 2025. Bburago makes this 1/43rd scale replica of a Datsun 510 in the color scheme of Peter Brock's BRE racing team from the early 70s. Bburago began in Italy and makes a lot of models in various sizes with various levels of detail, from the very affordable toy cars that you could buy at Target to something like this, which has incredible graphics and many separately applied detail pieces. It's really incredible to see the level of detail in the graphics of both the lettering and the logos. The windows have black where the weather stripping would be, and the window frames have chrome paint applied too. The only criticism that I really have is the fuzziness of the line between the red and the white paint. Otherwise, this is really top-notch. I received this as a Christmas gift, but it was also one where my kids asked me what I wanted. So I actually sent them a link to a seller on eBay. You could find it in other places too, but this was the cheapest one that I found. I have been a fan of Datsuns for at least 40 years. I don't have a 240Z or a 510, but I have owned this Datsun 210 since 1982. A few years back, I got it running again, and I briefly had the seeds of a crazy idea.